Boy, what a lovely day today. I think I'll go outside and... Oh, great. It's raining. And my basketball's deflated. Well, damn it. Hey, what's wrong? Well, I wanted to go outside and do something, but it's raining, so I guess we're gonna have to stay inside. Well, I do have one thing that gets rid of boredom and other things. What's that? My Legos. Your Legos? Yep. In fact, I've set you up some on your desk over there. Thank you. Eventually. Luigi, I'm bored again. Yeah, me too. Wanna go play the video game console? Yeah, sure. Okay, wait up. Alright, this should take your mind off the boredom. Are you ready? Yep. Eventually. Why does everything get boring after a while? I don't know. You know, I'm gonna check to see if it stopped raining. Damn it, it's still raining. Well, we could play Monopoly. We can't. Why? Well, remember when, Wolf and Llama and those other two guys were playing it and, they fought over the money and they ended up destroying the board game as a whole? Yeah. Well, they destroyed it, remember? Oh, yeah. Well, there's another thing we could try. What's that? Sleep? I mean, sleep is a good thing. We already got our bed. We just need to sleep. Sounds interesting. This better work. After that. It's sunny outside. Luigi! What? Oh! What is it? What? It's sunny outside. Really? Let's go outside! Yeah!